I spawned again today with all the other mobs. We're spying on the steeds, 'cause that is just our job. The third day has begun. I got the right to live. Try to kill them all again, 'cause we do not forgive. I will take my sword, I will make you be a wannabe, and give myself a burst of glee. You will die by me, although nobody will ever care, because it is just PvP. It's PvP. I will
but there's always that green something blowing me up. They just stay creeping, creeping, creeping. They don't even fight, they just float outside. I'll be doing my thing, doing some mining, then they creep in, and it begins. He's right behind you. What can you do? Boom! You're almost out of that cave after being so brave. Thought it was so safe. Step away, I'm just a breath away, losing my faith today. Falling off the edge today. I am just a man, not superhuman.